Starting a dropshipping business in 2025 doesn't have to feel overwhelming. You don't need to be a tech genius, a design expert, or spend weeks figuring out things in your own. Imagine this. What if the tools you need to grow your business were already there, waiting for you, just few clicks away? No complicated software, no guesswork, no late night spends uploading products manually or chasing suppliers. That's exactly where Doba comes in. Doba isn't just another dropshipping platform, but a build with AI at its core, designed to streamline your business and save your time from day one. Whether you're just getting started or looking for scale fast, Doba AI tool take a heavy lifting off your shoulders, so you can focus on strategy, branding, and actually making sales. In this video, I'll show you exactly how Doba's AI tool works and how they can transform the way you run your dropshipping business. So if you are ready to turn your dropshipping hustle into a real business, stick around. Let's start with the foundation, your online store. Traditionally, setting up a dropshipping store took hours or even days. You had to choose the right theme, customize it, manually upload products, write descriptions, crop images, tweak colors, set up payments gateways. The list goes on. And if you are not tech savvy, forget it. You'd probably have to hire someone. But with Doba's AI Store Builder, all of that changes. Once you sign up into your account, head to the AI Tool Hub and select Store Builder. From there, it's simple as choosing your e-commerce platform like Shopify, your niche, for example, fitness, pets, fashion, etc., a store theme and matching color palettes. And then, boom, the AI builds your storefront from the ground up. It automatically connects to your Shopify store, uploads products, organizes them into categories, and even syncs your inventory. You don't need to drag and drop blocks or worry about layouts. It's ready to sell, out of the box. It's like having your own web design and virtual assistant without the price tag. Now let's talk about products. You probably heard the phrase success in dropshipping, it's all about finding the right product. And that's 100% true. But here's the problem. How do you actually find the winning product? If you're manually digging through supplier catalogs or chasing whatever trending on social media, you're always a few steps behind. You might spend hours scrolling, helping to stumble across a product that works, but that's time you don't have to waste. That's why Doba AI Product Finder is a total game changer. Instead of playing the guessing game, all you have to do is choose your niche and Doba AI gets to work. It scans real-time supplier data, top performing listings, social media trends, seasonal demands, and competitor insights, combining all this information into one powerful tool. The results? A personalized list of trading products that are already gaining traction and are ready for you to sell. And then the best part, each product comes with everything you need to get started right away. Pre-written descriptions, high-quality images, category tags, and even pricing suggestions. No more wasting time writing products copy or finding images that match your brand. It's all there, ready to go. For example, let's say you're in a beauty niche, and AI might recommend a color-changing pH lip balm that's been going viral on TikTok and racking up sales on Shopify. Instead of randomly testing skincare serums or makeup tools, you're jumping straight into a product that's already proven to capture attention and convert customers. This means less time spent guessing and more time spent selling, working smarter, not harder. So your store is up and running. You've got a great product in place and sales are starting to come in. This is the exciting part, right? But here's the thing. This is also where things start to get messy. Behind the scenes, your go-to list suddenly explodes. You are adding new products, tweaking images, uploading prices, tracking inventory, processing orders, and constantly checking for out-of-stock items. It's non-stop. And if you are doing this manually, it can feel like judging filming swords on Uncycle. For many dropshippers, this is the point where momentum slows down. The micromanagement eats into your time, and what started as business begins feels more like a 24/7 job. But what if you didn't have to do it all manually? That's where Doba's AI Auto Lister steps in. Not loudly, but seamlessly. It quietly takes over the behind-the-scenes work that keeps your store running smoothly, so you can shift your focus back on growth. New trading products, they are automatically added to your store, complete with listings and images, inventory levels, always sync with real time, so you never risk selling an item that's out of stock. Got underperforming products? The AI can remove and refresh them based on real data performance. And if your product descriptions aren't converting, the AI rewrites them using insights pulled from what's already working across the market. This isn't just automation, it's smart, adaptive automation. You are no longer stuck into the weeds doing repetitive tasks. You can zoom out, like take control of a bigger picture, planning campaigns, testing offers, building your brand, all while knowing that your backend is quietly being taken care of day and night. With Doba and AI Autolister, you don't just keep up, you stay ahead. And that's how you scale your dropshipping business without burning out. Let's zoom out for a second. What does all this AI support actually mean for your business? Not in theory, but in real world results. Imagine this. You are no longer stuck manually uploading products listing midnight. You are not wasting hours second guessing what to sell next. Your store wasn't built in a week. It was up and running in a matter of minutes. What does that freedom gives you? Time, energy, focus. You are finally able to work on what really drives revenue. Whether that's testing new ad creatives, optimizing your customer journey, building a memorable brand, or getting your products into the hands of influencers, your focus shifts up daily tasks to high-level strategy. And here is the part people often underestimate. AI doesn't just save your time. It eliminates the little roadblocks that quietly drain your momentum. The manual tweaks, the missed updates, the second guessing, they all disappear. And that's what you gain instead of smoother operation, fewer mistakes, smarter decision based on real data, and much better experience for your customers. All of that can add up faster growth and clearer mind. And in real shot in turning your store into something serious. That's the difference between struggling to stay afloat and actually scaling with confidence. If you've been looking for a smarter, faster way to build your dropshipping business, this is your moment. With Doba AI tools, you're not just saving time, you're unlocking real potential. From setting up your store to finding winning products and optimizing the boring stuff, it's all designed to help you scale without the burnout. So stop doing it all hard way. Head over to doba.com, sign up, and dive into the AI Tool Hub to see what's possible. The future of dropshipping is already here, and it's powered by AI. Now it's your turn to take the next step.